Gabaw na siya ma'am, asa na og.
Ah, siya.
Grab. Car grab.
Grab taxi?
Yeah. Yeah.
Down?
Downstairs.
Uh-huh.
Downstairs.
Okay.
Ashton Ageria. I'm having grab. Going grab.
Na, na. Mag-grab daw sila.
Diyan ka, muna picture muna kita.
Ah, sige. Saan?
Sa Draga.
Nice.
Dito ka, oh. Kira kita.
Yeah. Dragon.
Hindi maraming tao, guys.
Kunti na lang lang. Ganda yung kunti lang. Silence. No
Bawal
picture.
picturean yung ano nila yung altar.
Hindi ko umakyat ko sa taas.
Oh, bakit tayo doon?
Ang bawal.
Ito, madali lang ito. Ito siya.
Okay na yan. Okay na yan. The dragon.
Diyan ka, oh. Diyan mo, look. Diyan.
Ngit.
Diyan ka, picturean kita.
Ate Lorna, may barya ka.
Wow. Siya? Shot. Very good. Ato din. Sige, picture. Dato. Picture ka din. Wala tagpuan. Ako, dari.
bada akong sinto.
Mga ganito pa sa kanila.
Buti walang entrance fee dito. Ay,
Oh, wala entrance.
pictures. Halika na.
Diyan ka, diyan. Ano na?
Tama na yung video. Ano?
May ang dami bunga ng ano.
Video mo, video yan. Para may pakasunod ka. Oo, dami ng ano, ng hinog sa taas. Tingnan mo.
Dito ka.
Wow.
Ano, may hinog oh.
Okay na yan.
Sabi, kasi, alam mo.
Diyan ka muna.
Baka sasakyan dyan ha.
Baba na.
Lechon. Buffalo chicken. Ate Lorna. Let's eat.
Ilot ko yun na kay motor. Service sa nimo mo. Mahal update diri ay.
Mga bitaw.
Motor.
Sagaran diri po na may mga puto.
Oh, na. Grabe ni tatong landslide diri. Puno ko ning yuta diri.
Delikado pala ito
Tuhod
dito.
yung yuta diri. Di ka na ba mo?
Delikado pag umulan.
Katong niigo og linog ba? Bumok, gi bagyo, bumok na da, bumok ang kuan. Dong diri.
Ayan, ganito.
Pero ang kuan lang dili ra mamukuan diri. Niagi lang gito ba ito. Na balay o tabuna.
Ay, oh.
Abot lagi na diri ana. Yuta diri. Mabitan na lungag-lungag gid diri ang kalsada gigi. Yana ni bako ma'am. Huwag ka na ang yuta magpagkuha mga taga.
Delikado man na. Delikado talaga pag umulan dito. Tingnan mo.
Ano lang yan ma'am, okay naman dito kapag umulan na ano lang talaga tong lindol. Tapos lumindol, nagbagyo, kaya yung lupa umambot na kasi dumaan ng lindol. lang, hindi naman.
Uy, dito kami nakapre. Hindi ko naalala. Saan ba yung may pool?
Dito.
Kawayanan? Ay, ano ba to? Ano ba to?
Dito.
Kawayan?
Oh, kawayan.
Oh, Kawayan. Doon kasi yung nagtrabaho yung anak ng ng cousin ko. So, doon kami na-pray na nalito sa pool. Maganda po ang daan doon.
Kadelikado man ang daan dito.
Kuya, maglagdaan ka dito ma'am, hindi mo saan ang daan dito.
Kasi nasa mountain na tayo, day.
Mountain na yan.
Grabe naman ang mga motor. Oh.
Layo, magyali ang siro, mas layo itong buwakan ni Alejandra.
Yes.
Magi nagag, welcome Balampad. Magi Balampad.
Pero maganda dito, kuya.
Oo, maganda.
Sobrang last ko nakapunta. Na yun yung last ko nakapunta doon. Tagal na. Pero ang bisis lang ako nakapunta doon.
Kita mama.
Hmm.
Ano ba yung Alejandra?
Ah, ganda.
Oo.
Welcome to the Philippine Tourist Temple. There you go, guys. Nice. Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Wish you luck. Wow.
Lechon. We have buffalo wings. Buffalo, not wings, but it's buffalo chicken. And lechon. We have rice. I'm together with my friends. Thank you once again. And hello guys, I have some photos uploaded here that I can share for you. Our photos here at the temple. So keep on watching until the end. I will be sharing to you our photos. And I wanted to say thank you to those who watched this premiere. Thank you to those who shared their blessings. Thank you to those who commented in the live chat. Thank you to those people who are very supportive from day one I started my channel until now. They are supporting me. So I wanted to say my gratitude to all of you. Thank you for being there to support every time I upload premiere, every time I do upload videos, every time I do live streaming. I wanted to say thank you for all of your support, guys. And by the way, thank you and shout out to all the members in my channel, including the newly members in my channel. Soon I will be shouting you out one by one, and we're going to upload also videos, contents that's exclusive only for the members. So if you wanted to be part of this membership, you can click the $sign below there. Click the $sign below and go to membership, and we will going to have a section of videos only for members. And if you wanted to be part of my membership, that's very affordable. It takes only less than $1 or 49 peso in Philippine peso, and in dollar it's gonna less than $1 only. And I will be very grateful if you do that, guys, because Che is helping those kids here in our country, and whatever we gonna have here, the revenue here in YouTube goes for these kids here in my community. So thank you so much for sharing all your blessings through super chats, PayPal donations, and thank you also to those who has been there active supporting my channel. Thank you for all my super chatters, and to all of my super sticker senders, and also for those who sent through super thanks. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate all of you. So once again, this is Che saying ingat lagi and God bless. Bye everyone. See you on my next premiere. That's gonna be a Sharao Garden. This is the view. So thank you.